Here is no elephant for the soprano line. Noel, 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 no elephant for me. Oh, I love to get a cuddly pet inside my Christmas stocking, but parakeets and puppies aren't for me. I would never wish for a bowl of fish, and though it may sound shocking, I hope I find an elephant beneath my Christmas tree. So I thought I'd better write a letter, though it sounds preposterous. I mailed it to that place where reindeer fly. I wrote Santa, I don't want a gerbil, kitten, or rhinoceros. I'd rather have an elephant, and this was his reply. No elephant, no elephant. There's one thing I can tell elephant. No elephant, no way. No elephant, no elephant. If Santa brought an elephant, he'd probably break his leg. I could take a bow and mistletoe and tie it to my elephant. We'd walk to school, my friends would think it's neat. If I'm sent down to the office 'cause I missed the tardy elephant, I'd simply have my elephant kiss the principal on the cheek. He'd say, no elephant, no elephant. There's one thing I can tell elephant. No elephant, no way. No elephant, no elephant. If Santa brought an elephant, he'd probably break his leg. I decorate his ears with holly down to here, and golly, on his trunk I'd hang some bells that jingling, and on his ivory tusk some tinsel is a must. Oh gosh, I hope I get my chubby pet from jolly old Chris Bring-a-Ling. No, no, no elephant, no elephant. There's one thing I can tell elephant. No elephant, no way. No elephant, no elephant. If Santa brought an elephant,